it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries. St. Paddy's Day is just around the corner. I get to do this wonderful collab with the most beautiful woman in the world, Terahrized. She makes videos very similar to mine with mental health issues and beauty all put together, along with other such things as health and etc. She's great. Go check out her channel. I'll figure out a way to put her video like on the side somehow. I don't know how to do that, but I'll try to figure that out just for her because she's just that amazing. We've been talking ever since. So go check out her channel, and if you're new from her channel, welcome. I also do beauty and mental health issues and health related and cleaning. I do a whole bunch of stuff. Today we're going to be doing a St. Paddy's Day look. Now I will admit that I got inspired by Makeup by Mars. I'm recreating her look right here. I got this off of Pinterest. However, I will be linking her Instagram down below. Now the reason why I wanted to look for someone else's look is because every time I do a green pigment eyeshadow, it just seems always muddy and just doesn't look very good for me. So I gotta practice my greens a little bit more before I feel comfortable with making my own looks that don't look sloppy. So I got really inspired when I was just looking around. I saw that, I was like, oh, that's so different from everyone else's. So we're gonna be recreating this look today, but I hope that you guys like this video. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I already did my face, I will admit that, so let's get straight into the eye look. I'm going to be applying Maybelline's Coverstick concealer onto my eye as a primer, and so that my eyeshadow lasts all day and there's no creases or wrinkles. I'm using Morphe's 35O palette. I'm using the yellow tone color to apply as a base on top of the concealer. You can choose to use white instead. A lot of people prefer to. I'm using yellow because it's closer tone to my skin color. To highlight my brow bones, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit in the color Glow Getter. I'm taking two light brown colors and mixing them together. With a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply them into the crease in a crescent shape around the center of my eye, avoiding the actual center. This is the transitional shade and helps brighten the gold. From the same Morphe palette which I've been using, I'm taking the gold color and I'm going to apply it into the center of the eye and bringing it down into the tear duct and near the very edge of the eye as well. This isn't going to be the main color, it's just a base underneath the glitter so that any transparency through the glitter from any holes will see gold underneath as well. For glitter glue, I'm using NYX Glitter Primer, and for glitter, I'm using the Color Workshop Glitter Powder in gold. When applying the glitter glue, do not pull on your eye, just tap the glue onto your eyelid where you want it, which we're going to be sticking to the eyelid mostly. Otherwise, you can cause damage to your eye when you're pulling because the glue can get sticky right away and it can cause some damage if you have sensitive skin. I'm using the bright eyeshadow palette which I got from Five Below. It doesn't have a brand on it. And I'm using the neon yellow to apply underneath my eyelid. I'm also applying it to the waterline as well. Be super careful when doing this. You don't want to poke yourself in the eye with a brush. That would suck. From the same palette, I'm going to take the neon green and put it exactly on top of the yellow. The yellow helps give a transitional shade to give it a brighter appearance and to give it a fade look at the same time. On top of that, I'm taking CoverGirl's True Naked Jewels in the color Green Amber and applying on top of the neon green to deepen the color just a tad bit. This color also has some sparkles in it, so it helps coincide with the glitter on top of the eyelid. To tightline my eyes, I'm using Color Workshop Kajal eyeliner in black. I am not sure if she had done this in the picture. I did it myself because I felt like it needed it. The mascara I'm using is Ulta's Legendary Lengths mascara in black. I always use this. I am so sorry. For falsies, I'm using Salon Perfect Demi Wispies. For lipstick, I'm using Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit lipstick in Satin Sheets. I think this goes perfect with the look because it's a mix of pink and gold flakes, which is just so pretty, and it goes with the gold. And obviously, St. Paddy's Day and all them leprechauns and their gold, right guys? Right? The end product. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Hope this was easy to follow, and most of the products here are fairly good in price, so it's nothing too expensive to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Terahrized for doing this collab with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe.